Title: Allah's name, Al-Ghaniyy, the self-sufficient. Assalamu alaikum, kids. Today we're going to learn about one of Allah's beautiful names, Al-Ghaniyy. Can you say it with me? Al-Ghaniyy. Al-Ghaniyy means the self-sufficient, or the one who needs nothing. Allah has everything and needs nothing from anyone, but we all need Allah. Imagine you have a big box of crayons. You can share them with your friends, but you don't need to borrow any because you have all the colors. Allah is even greater. He has everything and never needs anything. Knowing Allah is Al-Ghaniyy helps us remember to ask Him for what we need. We can always trust Allah to take care of us because He never runs out of anything. We can thank Allah for all the things He gives us, our family, food, toys, and friends. And we can try to share with others, just like Allah gives to everyone. Sin seis otro. Let's remember, Allah is Al-Ghaniyy, the self-sufficient. He loves when we ask Him for help and when we share with others. See you next time, inshallah.